we use three kind of wood in here. We have like rain tree, eucalyptus tree, and plant tree. So here is the first process that we start carving. For that we have the templates or the picture like this that you see, and then we have side of the wood that we need for carving that you see over there.
I see.
After that we need to put it on the wood that we use like metal or pencil for drawing the line that you see.
Oh,
And then
I
we
see.
start carving. And for this statue we spend around 10 days for carving.
Oh, wow.
That one that we call Chayava Mansavin, the king at Khmer Empire.
I see, I see. Wow, it's amazing.
So for the long one like this, it's like the customized order.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
I
That's
see.
about the Cambodian culture.
I see.
And here is some of the final product that we carving already. We have like elephant, Ganesha, Buddha, and the national flower in Cambodia. So that one is the popular one in Cambodia that we call Utalo. In Cambodia we call old.
I see.
And it have a few meaning for that one. That one more meaning is about like for protect, peace, lucky, and to remove all of that one.
I see.